Hello, welcome to my channel here. In this video we are going to learn how to select two different columns in Excel at the same time. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Here you can see my data and I want to select the alternate columns. So at the same time, how can we do it? Just simply click in the first column which you want to select, and then at the same time press control, and I will press control and hold it, and I want to select another column. Then I will select C, D, F, and you can see my selected columns are highlighted. So if I want to unselect, so I will simply hold the same control key, and if I want to unselect this F, then I will click in F, and this is unselected. And if I want to select, then I will press control key and hold it, and I'll select and other columns. So this is the simple trick which you can apply, and this control key helps us to hold and unhold. So this is a short tutorial which will help you to select different columns at the same time. So I hope you found this very helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.